Next, bonding and hybridization. So, carbon, ground state electronic configuration in carbon. Carbon atomic number is 6. Okay. So, ground state electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2px1, 2py1, 2pz0. So, this is ground state electronic configuration. Then, in excited state, okay, one of the s electron excites into p orbital. Okay. So, in excited state, its electronic configuration 1s2, 2s1, 2px1, 2py1, 2pz1. Okay. So, in excited state, electronic configuration of carbon is 1s2, 2s1, 2px1, 2py1, 2pz1. And energy of excitation, to excite one electron from s orbital to p orbital. So, here energy of excitation is 120 kilocalories per mole. Okay. So, this is energy of excitation. Or in kilojoules, this is equal to 501.6 kilojoules per mole. Okay. So, with this much amount of energy, an electron from s orbital that enters into pz orbital. Okay. So, in excited state, carbon contains 4 unpaired electrons. Okay. One in 2s orbital and each one in p orbital, px, py, pz. Okay. Single electron. So, bonding in hydrocarbons or organic compounds. Okay. Bonding in organic compounds. So, that is explained with electronic configuration and also hybridization. Okay. So, formation of covalent bonds. Okay. So, here covalency of carbon is 4. So, it forms 4 covalent bonds. Okay. So, this bonding that is explained with electronic configuration and another concept called hybridization. Hybridization concept. Okay. So, hybridization, that is this phenomena takes place with intermixing of atomic orbitals to form hybrid orbitals which are equal to the intermixed atomic orbitals. New set of hybrid orbitals are formed due to the intermixing of atomic orbitals. So, in carbon compounds, s and p orbitals, they undergoes intermixing. Okay. So, in organic compounds, carbon compounds, we observe 3 types of hybridization. Okay. sp, sp2 and sp3 hybridization. Okay. Then, coming to size of different orbitals here. Okay. So, sp hybrid orbitals, sp2 hybrid orbitals and sp3 hybrid orbitals. These are formed by the intermixing of atomic orbitals. What are atomic orbitals here? S orbital and p orbital. Okay. So, one s orbital intermix with one p orbital, we get 2 sp hybrid orbitals. One s orbital intermix with 2 p orbitals, we get 3 sp2 hybrid orbitals. One s orbital intermix with 3 p orbitals, we get 4 sp3 hybrid orbitals. So, coming to size of these orbitals. Okay. So, size of orbitals, both atomic and hybrid orbitals which are present in organic compounds. So that is p orbital is greater than sp3 hybrid orbital, sp3 is greater than sp2 hybrid orbital, which is greater than sp, which is greater than s orbital. So this is the size of the orbitals, both hybrid and atomic orbitals. Okay. Then carbon forms 4 bonds, 4 covalent bonds. So they are sigma bond. Very first bond formed by carbon atom is sigma bond. Along with sigma bonds, in some unsaturated compounds, carbon also forms pi bonds. So 2 types of bonds are formed by carbon. Okay, both sigma bond, covalent bond, and also pi covalent bond. So in the formation of pi covalent bond, pure p orbitals are involved. So due to sidewise overlapping of pure p orbitals, okay, we get pi bond. And sigma bond formation takes place with hybrid orbitals. Why? Because hybrid orbitals forms only sigma bond. Okay. Then first coming to sp3 hybridization. So in sp3 hybridization, one s orbital intermix with the 3 p orbitals and we get 4 sp3 hybrid orbitals. So all the alkanes undergoes sp3 hybridization. Okay, alkanes shows sp3 hybridization. And shape of the molecules is tetrahedral shape. All alkanes, they are having tetrahedral shape with bond angle 109 degrees 28 minutes. Okay, 109 degrees 28 minutes. So that is the bond angle. Okay. Then bond length, carbon-carbon bond length, single bond length, that is 1.54 angstrom units, carbon-carbon bond length. And carbon-hydrogen bond length, carbon-hydrogen bond length, that is 1.09 angstrom units. Then coming to bond energy, carbon-carbon bond energy. Carbon-carbon single bond is there in alkanes. So carbon-carbon single bond energy is 341.1 kilojoules per mole. So carbon-carbon single bond energy. So this was bond lengths. Bond energy. Carbon-carbon single bond energy. So bond energy is 341.1 kilojoules per mole. Okay. So this is the total data for sp3 hybridization. Okay. Next coming to sp2 hybridization.